This tutorial review will show you how to clear scratch disk in Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop and click on Edit. Click on Purge. Select All to clear all caches or choose an individual cache to clear. Clipboard, Histories, Video cache. And the second solution is click on the search icon and type here Run. Open Run app. And type here person, TEMP, person. Click on OK and scroll down here. Search for Photoshop crashes and select this Photoshop crashes. Press the Shift key and Delete key at the same time. Click on Yes to delete this folder. And close your Photoshop app and check the problem solved or not. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.